Okay, this is step 3, you guys. In step 3, we're actually going to start building your credit. You have everything set up from step 2 with getting your Experian and your Equifax together for business. So now we're going to move on to what you actually have to do to build your credit. Again, I'm going to tell you what I did. I'm going to actually put a whole bunch of resources below, and you can choose which ones you want to go with. But what I did is I got Uline, I got a Sam's Club card, I got a Costco card, I got American Express card, and I got a gas card. With those cards, what I did is I used them once a month. I paid them right off within 2 weeks before the month was up, and my credit score skyrocketed in less than 3 months. You can pick the ones that you want to do. I did 5. You can do up to 3, and you can kind of play around with it. And again, you are applying for these cards, and you're just going to use them and pay them right back off. You don't have to do anything crazy. You can get $30 worth of gas or buy something from Sam's Club for if you're going grocery shopping, trash bags, anything, and just pay it off. They have Lowe's cards, Menards, anywhere, anything that you need for your business, you can go ahead and apply for it. And once you do that, you're going to start seeing your business credit go up. So well, I see my business credit go up. That's what we're trying to do here for you. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and reach out to me. I will do my best of ability, or me and my team, to help you immediately. Thank you. I'll see you in the next step, which is the last step to where we should start doing some things. So I'll see you in the next one.